CarriX is designed for the handling of large format tiles. It can be equipped with 8-inch no-bleeding manual suction cups. The alloy material is stronger and has greater load-bearing capacity. Option a heavy-duty electric suction cups, Grabo Pro-lifter 20. While the Grabo Pro-lifter 20 supports up to 170 kilograms vertically, each Grabo OTTOVAC can handle a maximum vertical lifting capacity of 150 kilograms. Handle that can be extended. Release knob to extend crossbar easily. Both specifications 4.37 max extension to 7.87 feet and 6.36 max extension to 11.81 feet and 6.36 max extension to 11.81 feet.